Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the machine ready to do coffee work. Remove tape and inserts so nothing blocks water or moving parts. Fill the removable tank with fresh cold water to near the top, 0. 7 to 1. 0 liter is fine. Plug the unit into a grounded outlet and place a heat-proof cup under the outlet. Press the power button once to wake the machine. Once done, wait for the lights to stabilize so the heated system can be primed before the first extraction. You now load a capsule and prime the brewing path so flavors stay clean. Lift the lever, drop an aluminum capsule in the chamber with the rounded side up, then close the lever firmly until it clicks. Make sure the used capsule container and drip tray are fitted correctly. Press the lungo or espresso button to run a water-only cycle. This flushes air and manufacturing residues. Once the rinse cycle's complete, the machine is at stable temperature and ready to make a properly extracted shot. You're ready to brew your first coffee. Choose espresso for a short shot or lungo for a longer cup, press the button and watch the extraction. Stop at the volume you prefer. After brewing, lift the lever to drop the used capsule into the bin and empty it regularly to avoid jams. If the machine fails to pump water or yields only dribbles, make sure the water tank is fully seated and filled, then run another rinse cycle. If problem persists, descale following the manual schedule.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.